Today we discuss wave equations based question, a standard question which came in the year 2020 in CSIR NET for 4.7 marks, right? That is for the section C. What is the question? The question is, let uxt be the solution of the initial boundary value problem del square u by del t square is equal to del square u by del x square. X is in between minus infinite to infinite and t is greater than 0. Ux naught is equal to cos pi x by 2 u t of x naught is equals to 0. X is in between 0 to infinite. Then which are the corrects? A, u22 is equal to minus 1. B, u1 by 2 1 by 2 that is equal to 1 by root 2. u22 is equal to 1. And D, u1 by 2 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the question. Basically we see if this type of question is called wave equation for infinite string, right? Such type of equations are let utt minus c square is equal to uxx. Alright, then by D'Albert solution uxt is equal to 1 by 2 f of x plus ct plus f of x minus ct plus 1 by 2c integration from minus x minus ct to x plus ct g eta d eta with initial conditions ux naught is equal to fx and utx naught is equal to g of x are the given conditions. Okay, so as we see and compare it, let us compare it. The given equation is del square u by del t square is equal to del square u by del x square. As we see here, we can write it u t t is equal to u x x. Again we can write it in the standard form utt minus uxx is equal to 0. We see here, if we see and compare it to the standard equation, okay, see here, this is equal to, this is not equal to, this is multiplied by, okay, c square. Once if we write here, this is u t t minus c square u x x is equals to 0. This type of equation is called wave equations for infinite ring of homogeneous type, right? This is homogeneous type equation. Okay, so we compare the given equation to this equation of the standard equation, and the standard equation, that means standard wave equation of homogeneous type is u t t minus c square u x x is equal to 0. And if we compare it, we find here, suppose this is 1 and this is 2. If we compare it, then here we get c is equal to 1. Okay, c is equal to 1. And also we see here in our question, what is that? ux naught is equal to pi x by 2. That means and ux naught. Alright, ux naught is equal to ux naught is equal to, as per our the solution, ux naught is equal to f of x. That is f of x is equal to cos pi x upon 2. And we compare here ut, that is ut x naught. As per the given question, ut x naught that is equal to 0. Ut x naught that is equal to 0. So this is as per the comparison, ut x naught that is equal to g of x. So this is g of x and it is given that is the 0. Okay. Now we see this type of equation can be solved by D'Albert solution, then by D'Albert solution. Okay, D'Albert solution. What is this? This is u of xt is equal to 1 by 2. See here, 1 by 2 f of x plus ct minus, not minus, this is plus, f of x plus ct, alright, plus 1 by 2c integration x minus ct to x plus ct. Okay, see here, this point is x plus ct and this is f of x minus ct, not plus ct. Okay, this is f of x minus ct. Okay, and this is g of eta d. Okay, this is the solution. Now we put all the values as per the given. We see here, that means here we put values accordingly. We see after this step, u xt is equal to 1 by 2 f of x plus ct. C is equal to 1, as we know here, c is equal to 1. So put here x plus t plus f of x minus ct, that is x minus t. Okay, plus 1 upon 2c. 2c matlab 1 upon 2 into 1. Okay, 1 upon 2 into 1. Integration from x minus ct, that is x minus t, to x plus ct, that is x plus t. Ge, that means here Ge, we see here gx, and that means put in place of x, that is equal to eta, but this is given 0, so we clearly put here 0 de. We see it 1 by 2 f of x plus t plus f of x minus t only, because after this becomes 0. Okay, now we see here and take the steps accordingly. What is f? As we see here, f is equal to cos pi x by 2. F is equal to cos pi x by 2. So we put here in place of x, that means if we write here, this is 1 by 2 f of x plus t. So this is cos pi x, that means put in place of x, that is x plus t. So we get here cos pi and in place of x, x plus t divided by 2. Alright, this is and plus cos pi in place of x, that is x minus t divided by 2. Okay, Now, as per we have to find, take the result. That means we find u2 2. Okay, u2 2. That means put in place of x 2 and in place of t also 2. So 1 by 2 cos pi, this is 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus cos pi 2 minus 2 divided by 2. As we see here, this is 1 by 2 and this is 4 pi. So this is cos of 2 pi. Cos of 2 pi. And 2 minus 2, this is cos of 0. Okay, we say here this is 1 by 2, this is cos 2 pi, that becomes 1, and cos 0, that also becomes 1, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by 2, and this is equal to 1. If we see our result, u22, that is C option, u22 is equal to 1. So C option is correct. Okay, C option is correct. Again we find at the question, we find u1 by 2, u1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is equal to 1 by, as we see our result the same way, this is okay. So put in place of x is equal to 2, and in place of t put also is equals to 1 by 2. So what is this? Cos of pi 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2 plus cos of pi 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 divided by 2. We see here 1 by 2 in the bracket cos pi, that means pi by 2. Okay, this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1, that is pi by 2, and 1 by 2, this is plus cos of 0. Okay, cos of 0. So we see here this is 1 by 2 and cos pi by 2, that is equal to 0, and cos 0 is equal to 1. So this is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1, this is equal to 1 by 2. We see here the results, that is hence u22, we take u22, that was equal to 1, and u1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equals to here, as we solve the same, that is equal to 1 by 2. Thus we see options here, right? We compare it. u22 minus 1, no, this is wrong. u1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is 1 by root 2 is also wrong. u22 is equal to 1, that means u22 is equal to 1. Option C is correct, right? Again we see here u1 by 2, 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. So option D is also correct. So thank you so much.